Meaning of expropriation.
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 Expropriation. Expropriation refers to the act of the government or other authorized body taking possession of private property for public use or benefit, with or without compensation to the owner. The result of expropriation is that the property owner loses their right and control over their property, which is transferred to the expropriating entity. The purpose of expropriation is to promote public interest, such as for the construction of infrastructures or the conservation of natural resources. However, it may also lead to social or economic consequences, such as the displacement of people from their homes or the disruption of business activities.